5.3. And 3x minus 5. Supposed to use the function 3x minus 5. And we're supposed to let x be 0. So part A, they want us to take, so basically this is going to be an easy section for y'all. That's why we're doing 2 sections tonight, be 2 easy sections. So 5.3 is basically taking polynomials and plugging in values. So, how do we do it? What we can do? Just going to put in the 0 right where the x is, right? You know this kind of thing? Done this kind of thing before? It'll just become 3 times 0 minus 5, which is?
Minus 5.
Thank you. Minus 5. And then part B, they're gonna give us x equals negative 1. Same polynomial. Now what are we going to do with it? Put in negative 1. And so what do we get?
Minus 8.
Negative 3 minus 5, negative 8. Easy, right? Piece of cake. I'm going to move on to harder things. All right, and what they're going to say is what? Combine like terms, right? Simplify, yeah, combine like terms. Try that again. So, combine like terms. So,
Do y
do you know how to do this? How do we combine like terms? What do we do, Manuel?
Like I do is I just take the same the look-alike
Yeah.
numbers, put it together.
Exactly. So the 5y squared and the 8y squared, the ones that match? Yeah, exactly, huh? Those are what we call like terms. Like terms have the same letter pattern. So, you know, y squared with y squared. And in that case, now it's 5 plus 8, right? 13. And what have we learned we do with powers? Y squared, y squared? Y to the 4th, right? Isn't that the rule we learned? You think?
No, just y squared.
No?
No.
Yeah, side by side you're supposed to add, right? No? Christina, no?
Because we
Why
are
not?
adding.
Good job. If they were times, we would add the powers. So this is the kind of mistake people make. So I'm just purposely doing it just to help solidify. Really, I'm just trying to mess you up. No, I'm trying to help. So, right, that makes sense? So because you know what, it's always easy. Here's what happens. I've had lots of students over the years. So, Mr. Aaron, I did all the homework. I did great in the homework. Took your test, did badly. What's going on? You know, and that's why I give practice. And then that's why I learned to give practice. Because, you know, when you're doing the homework, do the same thing 10 times in a row, you get really good at it. But on the exam, it's all mixed up. So I try to do that now as I go. So I'm trying to mix it up as we go. So do you know this rule, and can you keep the other rule and know when to do which one, right? So if they're times is when we add powers, huh? But this is about adding, subtracting right now. And in that case, we don't mess with powers, do we? We don't add any powers. We just add the numbers in the front.
Yeah.
Nothing with the powers. We only do powers when they're timesing, when they're multiplying, huh? That good? And we will have the practice exam and practice all that. 5 minus 13? Negative 8, we're done.
Minus 8.
All right. So, number 5 is easy. Number 6 looks painful. All right, 2/3 x to the 5th. Yeah, let's do that one. So number 6. 2/3 x to the 5th plus 19x cubed plus 1/6 x to the 5th minus 20x cubed minus 14. I think I got it right? Yeah. Okay, same kind of thing. Combine like terms. So I'll give you a second. See if you can combine those like terms. Same ones with same letter patterns with same letter patterns, right? Help, I would too. So let us know. You know, if you can get ahead. These easy ones, you can just start jamming ahead in your homework if you want with your phone or your computer or whatever. Just get your homework done. All right. So what are we doing here? So I'm going to add the 2/3 x to the 5th and the 1/6. Right? Those are the like terms. Same letter pattern. How do you add those? Common denominator, huh? Yeah, exactly. So I gotta make both denominators what? 6. 6. What am I going to do to the first fraction there, Matthew?
Multiply by 2.
By 2, exactly. Top and bottom, exactly. Whoops, what is that?
Oh.
It's doing things I don't want. That's me in technology. It just suddenly does things. Anyway, 6/4 x to the 5th.
What?
6/4 to the
Yeah.
4/6.
Let's try again. I'm being challenged here. 4, there we go. All right, so 4/6. How about that? X to the 6. I'll bring this guy over here. I think I will.
To the 5th power.
Boy, I'm just doing crazy stuff, huh? Yeah, no, I didn't think I was. Plus 1/6 x to the 5th. There we go. You just keep watching if I do crazy stuff. All right, so there's that one. And so that's going to make what? 5/6 x to the 5th?
Yeah.
Just keep the same power? Okay. And now let's combine 19x to the 3rd, take away 20.
Negative 1 x.
Yeah, negative 1x to the 3rd, or you don't even need to show the 1 if you don't want to.
Minus x to the cube.
And then just bring down the
-4.
minus 14.
Yeah.
And we're done. Easy, right? You already knew this stuff before the class started. All right. All right, try that one. So like terms again.
9/18. 7/18.
Okay, so 9ab plus 7ab is 16ab. And then minus 2a and minus 4a?
6 minus 6.
Minus 6a. We're done. Good, easy. We don't make anything a squared or anything because we're not multiplying. We're just adding, subtracting. So you just do the numbers in the front. Don't mess with the powers, huh? All right, try number 9. Simplify, combine like terms again. So only ones that have the exact same letter pattern, huh? So look closely. Only combine, add, subtract those that have the exact same letter pattern.
This is number 9.
Number 9. Yeah, we'll do number 9 first.
8xy squared.
Okay, what do we got here? So 2x squared y. Now, is there any other term with that exact same letter pattern? X, second power, y. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this. Oh, yeah, the order doesn't matter. I probably should have mentioned that to you.
Yeah.
The order, actually, you know that, huh? You know that. Think about, is 2 times 3 any different than 3 times 2? Isn't it 6, whichever way you do it? What am I talking about? I'm saying, is 2 times 3 any different than 3 times 2? No, they're both 6. So you know that the order of multiplying things doesn't matter, huh? So if that's true for numbers, it's also true for letters. Because all letters is a number I don't currently know. So whatever's true for numbers is true for letters. So therefore, my point is, these are the same. The order doesn't matter. This is the same as 2x squared y. So they cancel, don't they? We good there? Just bye-bye. Good to there? Now, how about the other two? You guys tracking with me? Am I making some sense? The order doesn't matter, right? So how about 8xy squared Now, is that the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah, because the order doesn't matter, huh? So 8 of those, take away 5 of those. 3 of those. You can write it any way you want. I usually do it, alphabetical order.
Yeah, yeah.
And then what else we got?
We got 4.
The plus
Plus
4, and that's it. So we good there? They're testing if we're okay with the order swapping. All right, try number 10. Question?
I'm confused.
What's getting you?
Like how they're the same and how which ones are different. They're like the same.
Oh, on tip of 10?
minus 16.
No, number 9.
Number 9? So see how this one has the 2 on the x
16
and nothing on the y? That's the same as this other one that has the 2 on the x and nothing on the y. So 2 of those are minus, they cancel 2 of those and minus 2 of those. Whereas this guy has the 2 on the y. The 8 has the 2 on the y and nothing on the x. Like the minus 5, 2 on the y, nothing on the x. Yeah.
How we doing? Like cancel?
It's all who has the power.
Minus give you minus 21. 14.
All right, so on number 10, we'll start with the 14y to the third power. Is there anything else with y to the third power?
Yeah.
There is? No.
It's the only one.
Yeah, only one. Okay. So 14y to the third. Next, you can do this any order you want. I'll just do the negative 4 next.
Yes.
Negative 4,
Negative
17 makes negative 21.
Negative 21.
They're just plain old numbers, right? Just add them up, plain old numbers. Good. All right, next.
It's minus 13 plus 3.
Yeah, 3a squared b squared minus 16. And the order doesn't matter, so that's the same thing, right? Both the a and the b have a 2 power.
Minus 13.
Minus 13. A squared b squared. And we're done. We good? Questions?